Assalamualaikum and very good day. I'm going to show you how to solve a simultaneous equation problem. You're going to need to have some knowledge of algebra. It's very, very important. If you don't have any knowledge in algebra, then this problem is going to be a bit too difficult or impossible to solve. Okay, in solving simultaneous equations, we can solve it in two different ways. The first way is called elimination method, and the second one is called substitution method. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do both this method, how to solve this equation using both these methods. Okay, first of all let's attempt on using elimination method first. Okay, let me just create some space. Okay, now we have two equations, x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. We want to find the value of x and y. What are those values so that x plus y equal to 10 and so that x minus y equal to 2? So first of all, the method is first name or label the equation. So I call the first one x plus y equal to 10 being the first equation, and x minus y equal to 2 is the second equation, so I give them numbers. Alright then, so how do we go about doing elimination method? If we want to find the value of x and y, we need to do it one by one. Okay, we eliminate one of the variables first. For example, we can eliminate y first, and then only leave x into the game, and then we can find the value of x. Later on, we can put the value of x into any of these equations, at the equation 1 or equation 2. Then it is possible for us to find the value of y. Okay, now how do we go about it? Let's go and manipulate equation 1 and 2. What we can do is, really observe my step. Let's try to eliminate y first. Okay, let's take y out of this picture. How can we do that? We can do this 1 plus 2. So we take equation 1, we add equation 2 to the equation 1. Okay, then we take a look at the left hand side. Left hand side of equation 1 is x plus y. Okay, this is the equation 1, left hand side equation 1, and then we want to plus 2. We plus the second equation, the left side of second equation, which is x minus y. Okay, let me just label it so that you know. Okay, this x plus y belongs to this. Okay, and x minus y is being put here. Okay, it's clear? Alright, and then we need to do the same on the right hand side of the equation too. It looks a little bit cluttered. Let me just get rid of those boxes. Okay, but I hope you understand. The right hand side of the equation, which is 10, you add 2, which is the right hand side of equation 2. Okay, now let's go and solve both right hand side and the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation. First, the left hand side, x plus y plus x minus y. This is equal to x plus x. Okay, we take both these values, add them together, and then we take y minus y, which is these two values. This is plus y and this is minus y. So y minus y. It is actually y plus minus y, but that equals to y minus y. This is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, now let's take a look here. X plus x is 2x. Okay, you need to know algebra to do this. Okay, 2x. What about y minus y? Y minus y is nothing. It's 0. Everything is gone. So we don't have any more y's there. We have only x. And the right hand side of the equation is maintained 12. Now let's move the number 2 to the right hand side of the equation. Why do we want to do that? Because we want to leave only x variable on the left hand side of the equation so that we can find the value of x. Okay, so x is equal to 12 divided by 2. Okay, these two over here will go below the bar. Well, it means that if you multiply 2 on the left hand side, it goes to the right, it becomes divide. So 12 divided by 2. So x is equal to 6. So that's the answer for x. But we need to find y. How do you want to find y then? Okay, we can still use elimination method, but the method is slightly different. The first, when we are trying to find the value of x, we do 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. But the second method, we can do this, 1 minus 2. Why do we want to do that? Because we want to get rid of x and leave y in the equation. So what happens? Now, equation 1, the left hand side equation 1 is x plus y. And then you minus left hand side of equation 2, which is x minus y, which is equal to the right hand side equation 1 is 10 minus the right hand side equation 2, which is 2. Okay, now let's go and solve this. X minus x. After we try to combine x and x, the like variables, okay, and this there is a sign minus over there, so that is x minus x, and then plus y from here, minus x. What is minus x? Y minus y, sorry, not x. Okay, which is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, now x minus x is nothing. It's gone. But about y minus y, if you have two minuses meeting each other, it becomes plus. So it is actually y plus y equal to 8. So that y plus y is equal to 2y equal to 8. So y is 8 over 2. So y is equal to 4. Okay, let's go and verify. X is 6, y is 4. Let's verify equation 1. X is 6, y is 4. So y is 4. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So that's correct. And then x minus y is 2. So x is 6. 6 minus 4, it is 2. So yeah, x plus y is equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So this is correct. And then x minus y is equal to 6 minus 4, which is 2. 2. This is correct. Okay? Okay, that's elimination method. Let's do substitution method. Let's get rid of this, everything that's been written here, so that I can create some space for myself to work out the solutions. Okay. So now you're gonna use substitution method. Okay, it depends on you whether or not to use elimination method or substitution, whichever that you feel convenient. But I'm going to show you both methods so that you can choose. Okay, now how do we do substitution method? The objective is still the same. We want to find the value of x and the value of y. But how do we do that? Let's take equation 2. From 2, you can actually pick either equation 1 or 2, but I pick equation 2 just because I like to do it. Because it looks a little bit more reasonable for me. For example, from 2, not 1. Well, I need to strive to reduce my mistakes. Okay, so from 2, x is equal to 2 plus y. How do you do that? I move minus y to the left, to the right hand side of the equation. So minus y become plus y. Okay, and then I name it. Either I can either name it equation 3, or I can also do this. Okay, in the examination you probably need to put this sentence. in your solution. Substitute 2 plus y for x in 1. So that means equation 1 is x plus y equal to 10. So in place of x, we put 2 plus y. 2 plus y. Okay, this is x. Okay, and then well, let me just make it clear for you. This is x. Okay, x is now 2 plus y, and then we plus y, the remaining y that is being left in the equation. This is equal to 10. Okay, you note that in this equation, the new equation, there is no x, there is only y. Okay, so now let's go and solve this. 2 plus y is 2y equal to 10, and let's move number 2 to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 2. So now silly mistakes happens every now and then, so let me correct that. So 2 plus 2y is equal to 10. So now after I move 2 to the right hand side, it becomes 2y equal to 10 minus 2, which is 2y equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 over 2, because I just moved to the right hand side. So y is 4. Still consistent with the first method, elimination method, that I just demonstrated to you just now. Okay, now we have found the value of y, which is 4. So now the next step is I'm going to steal some space here, okay? A little space. Substitute 4, okay, for y in okay, let's name it as equation 3, okay, in 3. So x is equal to 2 plus y, right? So now y is 4. 2 plus 4, so x is equal to 6. Okay, still consistent with the first method, elimination method. So this is substitution method. Whichever method that you feel comfortable with, you can use it. Otherwise, if you don't feel comfortable with any of these methods, then you're going to need to take a look at this video again and again until you understand. Okay, if you have any problem, do not hesitate to contact me at this email or my Facebook address with that email address as well. I have another problem. Okay, the problem number 1 is very simple. Problem number 2 is slightly more difficult, but not prohibitively difficult. Okay, so let's try to do elimination method on this one. Okay, now I name this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Likewise, like the first problem I did, I want to add both equation 1 and 2. Okay, 1 plus 1. So left hand side of equation 1 and 2 is like this. By the way, why do you want to 1 plus 1? Because I want to eliminate y. Reason being is that y over here is plus y, over here is minus y. So y minus y is 0. So that's the reason. So left hand side equation 1 is 2x plus y, and the left hand side equation 2 is x minus y. So that is equal to 4 plus minus 1. So plus minus 1 is actually plus minus 1. What the hell am I talking about? Well, pardon my French. 4 plus minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1. So now 2x and x. 2x plus x and then plus y minus y is equal to 4 minus 1. So 2x and x becomes 3x, while y minus y is nothing. So 3x is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So x is 3 over 3. So x is 1. Okay, quite easy. Okay, now how do you want to find the value of y then? We can use substitution method. You know, we can combine elimination and substitution method together. But for this case, let's just use elimination method consistently to find value of x and y. to find value of x, okay, there is a level of difficulty, but not too difficult. Reason being is that we want to get rid of value of x now and leave only y in the game. But we have a problem because the coefficient of x is not the same. You know? This is 1. Coefficient of x for equation 2 is 1, while coefficient of x for the equation 1 is 2. So we need to do some modification. What is that modification? It is two-step method. Okay. First, we multiply equation 2 with 2. Just multiply it with 2. So it becomes 2x minus 2y. Well, let's do step by step. Okay. We multiply left-hand side first. 2 multiply x minus y. We put in bracket, okay, to be safe. And then minus 1 times 2. Okay. So we multiply left-hand side of equation 2 and right-hand side of equation 2. We have to multiply both sides, otherwise it will not be consistent. So how do we multiply the left hand side? First we multiply x and then we multiply y. So it becomes 2x minus 2y, because these two multiply with minus y become minus 2y. So this is equal to minus 1 times 2 is equal to minus 2. Alright. So this we call it equation 3. Okay. So no more equation 2 in the game now. So then we can do elimination method. We can do this. Equation 1 minus equation 3. Okay. So now left hand side equation 1 is 2x plus y. Okay. Minus equation 3. The left hand side equation 3 which is 2x minus 2y. Equal to 4 minus 2. Okay, we have to put a bracket there because we have two minuses. So let's open the brackets on the left hand side first. So this is 2x. Okay, if you open up the bracket, minus n plus 2x, it becomes minus 2x. So we can eliminate 2x. Okay, and then plus y, which is this one. Okay. And then we minus 2y. So there are two minuses. This is 4 plus 2 because two minuses, minus meet with minus become plus. We can eliminate 2x. It's gone. Okay, now what about y? Y minus 2y, it becomes plus 2y, which is equal to 6. So 3y is equal to 6. So y is 6 over 3, which is 2. Okay, so this is the solution. X is 1 and y is 2. So let's verify. Let's put it somewhere in the middle here. Okay, I'm stealing a space. Equation 1, okay. Equation 1, 2x, 2x. Okay, 2x plus y. I do not know whether I have enough space. But now 2x, x is 1, plus y is 2. Okay, is equal to, well, I don't do it the proper way. So let's just keep it empty. Okay, right side equation empty. So 2x plus y is 2, x is 1, plus y is 2. So this is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So consistent is equation 1. Let's do verify using equation 2 now. Delete this one first. Let's verify. So it looks like if we verify using equation 1, it matches. So equation 2, x minus y is equal to what? Okay, x is 1, and then y is 2. So minus 2. What is this? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So it is consistent. So the answer is correct. Okay, that's elimination method. If you don't understand the steps, please repeat the video. And then you can play the video as many as you like, as many times as you like, until you really understand. Okay, that's the beauty of video. Let's try to do substitution method now. Okay, I'm gonna need to get rid of this few mass here. Okay, create some space for us. So let's do substitution method. This video is already long, but let's try to not to prolong it. Substitution method. Okay, we still use the identification equation 1 and equation 2. I like to choose equation 2 because it looks simpler to go and solve. From 2, x is equal to y plus 1. How do I get that? Okay, minus 1 is still consistent with the right hand side of the equation 2, but minus y, when we move it to the right hand side, it becomes plus y. So that's why x is equal to y minus 1. Okay, now substitution. Substitute. Sorry, this is a little bit lengthy because you need to write full length sentences. Substitute y equal to 1 for x in 1. Okay, now 2x plus y equal to 4. So now x is y plus 1, y minus 1. Okay, y minus 1 plus y equal to 4. So 2y, how do we multiply 2 and y minus 1? Okay, we multiply 2 with y first, and then we multiply 2 with minus 1. So now it becomes 2y. 2 multiplied with minus 1 become minus 2, and then plus y. So you see, the variable x is gone from the equation. Let's move minus 2. Let's choose other color, red color. To the right hand side, it become plus 2. Okay, and 2y plus y equal to 3y. Okay, 3y is equal to 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 over 3, which is 2. Okay, consistent with the first method, elimination method. So now let's go and find value of x now. Okay, I named this as equation 3. So again, substitute 2 for y in 3. Okay, so x is equal to y minus 1. So y is now 2. 2 minus 1, so x is 1. Bingo. So I hope you learned something from here. You can use elimination method, or you can use substitution method to solve simultaneous equations. But to do this, before you can do this, you need to be really comfortable with algebra. I wish all the best. If you have any problem, you can always ask me at mrmaths@life.com in my Facebook, or please go and like this page, please, because it has many helps, including this video will also be posted there. Okay, see you. Bye bye.